Thank you for agreeing to meet with me in regards to your child, Brianna.
It's my pleasure.
This is a transition IEP meeting, meaning that we are going to be talking about your student's strengths and needs in regards to her transition into an adult life and her career choices. So I kind of wanted to talk a little bit about where we're at now in the classroom. Brianna has been performing really well while using the abcmouse.com software. And the abcmouse.com software is basically an online reading program that she chooses to go and work through. She's been completing on average 3 units per week, and she excels in phonemic awareness and phonics. And she's starting to combine sight words and phonics into reading complete sentences. She's very sweet and very eager to work. In the areas where she is a little bit weak or needs some more help are in basic math functions and reading literacy. Her test scores are low in each of these areas, so we've been giving her accommodations in both of those class settings. So some of the accommodations that Brianna is receiving are oral presentation of directions and answer choices, and we also reread and clarify any directions that she might have difficulty with. She's also getting additional time to complete her assignments, and she's in a smaller class size at the moment, and she receives preferential seating. Now with Brianna, she tends to focus a little bit more on the task at hand when she's seated in the front and center of our classroom, where she can see the board and interact with her teachers. So I've been talking with Brianna in the past couple of weeks about what career choices she is interested in pursuing. Brianna has expressed to me that she's interested in working in the hospitality industry as a hotel clerk that checks in guests from out of town. Brianna is a friendly and outgoing student and already has many of the attributes that a potential employer would look for in the customer service industry. So the areas that we would like to work on with her are reading simple sentences and following short directions, and then also working on her computer literacy. So working on skills with Microsoft Word and Excel spreadsheets, and also working on how to calculate simple mathematic problems to determine what charges and fees the customer will have to pay when they check into the hotel. So that's kind of where we're at with everything this school year. Do you have any questions?
No, I think you've covered it all.
All right, well, thank you so much for meeting with us today.
Thank you.